Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julianna. I'm so glad you guys can make it. Make sure to subscribe down below and turn that bell notification on so that every time I upload a new video, you guys are notified. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup look. This is a look that I have done today, so make sure to continue watching to see how I did this look. But I'm so glad you guys were able to hop onto my channel. Make sure to subscribe and let's go ahead and get started into the video. Alright you guys, so we're going to go ahead and start on my makeup. So the first thing I'm going to do is just clip my hair back with one of these little clippies. So, I only have one, so only doing one side. But anyways, so we're gonna start off with our moisturizer. So I like to use the Arbonne Clear Future Mattifying Acne Treatment Lotion. This is what I like to use to moisturize my whole face, because if you guys don't know, I've been struggling with some hormonal acne, so it definitely helps to use acne skincare products. So I do that and then I'll prime. So I use the Arbonne Mattifying Primer, and this just kind of helps to fill in all your pores, fill in all the little fine lines in your skin, and it helps to create a more seamless, more seamless canvas. What can I say? Okay, so once we do that, now we're just going to do our CC cream. So I don't normally use a foundation just because I feel like since it's summer, we should not be using a ton of makeup on our face just because it is very hot outside. We'll be sweating it off and everything, so what's the damn point, I'm gonna use the Arbonne. I use all Arbonne makeup. If you guys don't know, I sell for Arbonne, so I really like repping their products, but Arbonne makeup is the bomb.com to me. But I enjoy using the Arbonne products and the Arbonne makeup, but the Arbonne face product I like to use is the Arbonne CC cream. So here's what I'm going to do. It's in the shade Fair, and I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna blend it out. I think that Arbonne's foundation is so seamless because it literally does not crease. I mean, you can literally have it on for hours and it just still stays intact. I love this makeup so much. And I use an actual brush to apply it, because if you don't, and you use a dry beauty blender that's not damp or anything, then you're actually going to, the beauty blender is going to be sucking in all of the foundation and you're not gonna get a good application. So a brush is honestly the way to go for everything. There we go. So I normally use Arbonne concealer, and it's right here. It's in the shade Light, but I'm actually running low, so I use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer. And I like this concealer because it's very full coverage and you don't need a lot. So I do 2 dots on each side. I go down my nose, on my Cupid's bow, on my chin, as well as up here on my T-zone, so that I can get an even application. And this is when I'll start using my beauty blender, because this is the only way I can actually blend this in and get it in all the little nooks and crannies of my face. Now that I got all of my face makeup on, now I'm going to set my face with a powder. So I also use a L'Oreal powder. So I use the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the shade Light Ivory. And this is just a pressed powder. I really like this powder. And then I'm actually just going to use this brush right here. And it's just a fluffy blending brush. And it's really mattifies my skin. And I try to get it all over my skin. Make sure that there's no oiliness to my skin. I make sure to get my T-zone and all of that so that I can have all my skin covered in powder. Now, I'm going to use an Arbonne face palette. It's the Starlight Glow palette. My dog actually chewed it up, so excuse that. But it looks like this, and it's got 2 bronzers, a blush, and a highlighter. And I really like using this mattifying bronzer, and I'll go in a C shape. So So it's a whole process, but it does not take very long because this palette is amazing. It's a one-stop shop for all of your face products, and I love it so much. So now that I got all of my face makeup done, honestly, most of the days I don't even wear eyeshadow, but if I do, I'll use either one of these 2 palettes. So this is the Arbonne Cherry Blossom palette, and it looks like this. Or I'll use the Arbonne Volume 1. It's only eyes palette, and it's just all their neutrals. So I'm actually not going to be using eyeshadow today just because I feel like eyeshadow is for losers. No, I'm just playing. But anyways, eyeshadow is just not my forte today, but I am going to use mascara. So this is the It's All in the Eyes Speak Volumes mascara from Arbonne. And I'm going to use this. It's very good. It makes my lashes really long. See? So now that I got my mascara on, now I'm just going to use like a quick little lip color. This is the shade Magnolia in their nude lipstick, and it's amazing. This is what it looks like. It's just a nude lipstick. And yeah, that is just my basic everyday makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe down below because I would love for you guys to stick around for more videos. It really does mean a lot that you guys support me and my channel, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.